Hey guys, back again with another video. Today we're gonna play the new Gorilla Tag beta game. I don't know what to say. Okay, I guess I have to wait now. Thanks for helping. So I've pressed the button on the right 20 times. Oh, I have to press it 20 times? Okay. Okay. Oh! I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Ooh, so this is a new hat room. Like, just a lobby. Oh, sup?
The goggles. Yes. I need the goggles.
I want this hat. Oh, I need 1,000. What? Wait a minute.
Yay.
Oh, I don't have it.
Yes.
How do I get a hat? I'm pressing it, but it's not working.
How do you get it? Hey, look at who's asking. I'm right
Me.
here.
Oh, I got it.
No, it's not on. It's not on. Come here. Watch. Where do you get the top? You click on it, and then when you want to buy it, you click yes, right here, and then right there again.
Okay.
Because I told him it was the cow.
Do I have it?
How do you?
Oh, I have it. Let's go. I got a hat. I got a hat.
No, you don't. It's not on. Pull me for the pineapple.
What's up there? What's up here?
Hat for me. Yeah. Okay.
What is? Having a hat on is just so weird. I want the pineapple. Pineapple. I'm gonna keep this hat on for now. Same. I just got it too.
Oh, thanks.
Bro, this is so sick.
Yes. Bro, I love
Dude,
this.
it's
You want the
cool.
evil eyebrows?
I know, right?
I miss
I know where they are, though. They're
This
up
is
there.
so cool.
No, I've already seen them.
Dude, I miss
The
this.
eyebrows and they're up there.
Should I keep this hat on or get a different hat? Wait, how do you get the mask? Can you show me where to get masks?
Let me go. Here. Yeah, come here. Which ones? Which one do you want?
I want like just like a COVID mask if they have it.
This is an Easter egg.
COVID mask?
Oh,
Yeah.
they do. It's on the third. Isn't it on the second or third?
Third. It's on the suit.
Oh, there's.
I missed
Oh my
this map
gosh.
so much.
I hope this beta never leaves.
For real though.
Me too.
Who wants it to
I love
leave?
this beta. I don't think anybody does. I
Oh,
can't
it's on
wait
the
till
third?
official thing comes out.
It's on the
Yeah, it's on the
third.
third.
I can't tell you how excited I was whenever I saw it.
I know, same. I was so freaking happy. Oh, I found it.
What would you like to buy? I have the evil eyebrows.
Yeah.
You can have.
All right, now I'm going to the thing.
We should just add all the the custom cosmetics.
Yo, I got the evil eyebrows. Look at this.
Wait, let me see.
Evil eyebrows.
No, you don't have it. You have to press select
Told you.
and then press. You see behind you? Behind you? Press yes, and then press yes. I need
How
it.
expensive everything is.
Yeah, you have. Wait, you have. Oh, you don't have them anymore. Wait, try again.
Free money.
It says you have 4,000 left.
Yeah.
Purchase on
All
available.
right. Wait. Wait. Press select again. You had them. Press select. All right. You have them. Oh my gosh, this is so
I'm
sick.
ready for Halloween.
I'm a dinosaur.
Wait, is my mask gone?
Bro, where do you get the mask
My. Oh, you want me to show you?
The poor.
Hey, monkey's right over here.
I don't know if
It's
I
on
have
the third
the code
floor.
mask.
Wait, which one?
Let me see.
Covered? The covered? Yeah, it's on the third.
Wait, for some reason, whenever I walk out of the store, my mask comes off. My mask comes off right over here. So when I have it right now, and then I come over here, I don't have it.
Yeah,
Did I not buy
You
it?
haven't bought it. Because you
Okay.
haven't bought it yet.
I know how fast
Do I have it now? Oh yeah, I do.
I'm already.
Badge.
Yes. COVID.
What's up? What's
COVID.
up?
Even mine.
I don't know.
Who wants to go in a match with me?
I got so much.
Should I get the COVID?
Bro, this
mask?
hat is sick.
Thinking about it. Dude, I need to get a hat. Hold on.
Do I have left? Ooh, I only
I
have
need to
1,000
get like a new
left.
hat. This hat is boring.
Wait, how do you get more money?
Oh, there's the top hat.
You have to wait. You have to wait
Oh.
a while.
You have to wait like a couple hours.
Yeah, and then once you get the couple hours one, you have to wait.
Wait, what does the badge do? Blue monkey. Monkey, what does the badge do?
Gotta go change.
Cause look, come over here. There's a badge.
I'm gonna go save my money.
There's badges.
Yeah, but what? Hey, Pink Monkey.
I'll get this
What
one.
about that?
What about I need a mirror. There needs to be a mirror here. I need to
Bro, hold on. What about those letters?
Really? That would be so
Why?
nice if that was a mirror.
Yes, I need it.
I know.
Here, what does the badge do? That's my question. Oh, I have a badge. All right, good. Clinic. Who wants to go to a match? Anyone want to go to a match?
No.
Yeah, bet me.
I'm waiting here for 2
You?
hours.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. What map?
Bet, but what's gonna be the code?
Color.
Bro, I said code.
I like my color.
Bye guys. I'm gonna go. It was nice seeing you.
So, what map you wanna go to?
And then get.
Yo, you want to have my next
If we go, well, basically, if we,
I just got this.
I wanna join you.
All right.
Hello.
No.
Yeah,
No.
he's probably just gonna go somewhere random. Just.
No, I've already had Gorilla, but I just got the beta update today.
Oh,
Yeah,
the beta
same.
was fun. The beta returned.
Yeah, I know.
The code is gonna be
Okay.
FRUT.
No, I'm bald.
FRUT. U.
F. U.
Oh, so
Joined.
where's the other dude?
Cosmetics. Never mind. I don't know. I told them to join.
FRUT. Oh, hold up. Let me give
Yeah.
you this magma skin back. Let me touch you.
Hell no, bro. I don't want the magma skin.
Oh, all right.
It does give you a speed boost, which is super helpful
Wait, it does?
when chasing monkeys. Yeah. Look. All right. Let's do a race. Come on. Let's do a race.
All right, hold. Let me go fish legs.
there.
I like fish legs. Wait, here to where?
All the way to
Just
hats.
out
All right.
out the room.
Ready? Yeah, sure. Ready, set, go.
Oh, what the? Oh, I accidentally gave it to you.
All right, let's do a race again.
All right. All
All right,
right.
over
here.
there to outside. Ready, set, go.
Oh. Oh, I think
Yeah,
you beat
just
me
like
by a
an
little
extra
bit.
fast speed boost.
Wait, what's this thing?
Oh, you can purchase more.
But does it cost money?
Purchase. One sec. Let me quickly check. Oh, the purchase is unavailable. Yeah, it does cost. Yeah, it does cost money, but it's unavailable right now.
Bro, this beta is so fun. I hope it never leaves.
Yeah. Well, it might be taken away. Well, maybe never, cause there used to be some very OP glitches where you can hide in some places. You can glitch out the map,
Okay.
abuse glitches,
Abuse
in
them.
public lobbies, but yeah, like use them every single time and like never stop using them.
Nice
Do you know where the
gorilla storm.
eyebrows are?
Oh, I want to get eyebrows. I'm gonna go get eyebrows. Wait, where is the eyebrows? Where are they?
I bet. Let me show you. You go up
Wait,
here.
can I get sunglasses first?
Yeah.
I'm get some. All right, I'm gonna go get sunglasses.
I'm gonna buy some right now. Oh, 'cause why not?
I'm getting these. All right, I'm gonna go buy them.
These, because these are way cheaper.
I'm getting D's because my name is D's. Wait, how much are those?
4,000 now. They're like 2,000.
Oh, okay, then that's all my money.
I've been saving up, so basically I have about 4,000.
4,000.
Yes, because I just spent some on those glasses. But
I'm
26 minutes and we get more.
Hold up. Let me equip my my COVID mask. Wait. I mean, I kind of like this. I kind of like this. Oh. All right, you gonna do something?
Maybe what?
You gonna do
Yeah,
something?
sure. Maybe like in other updates, they're gonna add it where you can buy the golden monkey, which I really want it.
Wait, I've seen someone get the golden monkey though on YouTube.
Really?
Yeah, but I forgot where.
Yeah, they must be like modding or like hacking or doing something else.
How do you second floor? What second floor?
Yeah, this second floor. Just read this. Just read this.
Under construction. Please come please come back soon. Okay.
Soon. Do you want to know how to get in there?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Just go on top here.
Oh, okay.
Now look, you see little crack. You want to go up here, push yourself down, and just go. Yeah, push yourself down like this with the glass, and then quickly do this. See?
Oh.
Now you're on the second floor.
Oh, because I saw J-Man do this and I forgot. You watch J-Man?
Yeah. Yeah, and here's the golden hat, which is you can't basically get it.
Okay. What if you could get it though?
Oh, I would instantly buy it.
For real though? You gonna go into a map? You gonna go into a forest or something?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Which is your favorite map? This one? Or canyons? Or... Oh, forgot. The jungles?
Yeah, I kind of like...
You just go the same way.
But when I play, I mainly do jungle.
Same.
Okay. Wonder how this is... Why for some reason it looks so different. I don't know why. This wall... This looks so different.
Yeah, it really does.
Why does this look so different?
And when I know something that they took out, but yeah, everyone forgot about. Follow me. Have you noticed, like, when you ever came here, there used to be a face right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you took it out. I don't know why.
Wearing this mask is so weird. This mask is so weird. Like, yeah, just wearing it. Uh-oh. Bro, I didn't even know I could wall climb with one hand. I just did it.
Oh, wow.
Wait, does the slide glitch still work?
No.
It doesn't?
Yeah, all the glitches they got patched.
Oh, okay.
So it basically can't go underground.
Oh, you can't?
Or glitch off the map. That really sucks. You can't be a car or a plane anymore.
For some reason, I'm better at wall climbing than pinch climbing. Like, I cannot pinch climb that good.
Dang.
I don't know why.
Pinch climb good, but not wall climb.
I'll try with one hand again. Dang it, I failed that time. White monkey, where'd you go? White monkey? Oh, there you are. I need to turn my volume up real quick. All right. Where you going?
Right.
Okay, let me get up.
Somewhere.
All right. Oh, how do you go through there?
It's easy to go through here.
How do you do it?
It's simple. Just fish, make your arms fish legs.
Yeah, my legs
Make
are.
your arms like this, and then do this. Push yourself in like this. You might get yeeted out. Sometimes I use this place to hide. And it's kind of hard to get out and get in. See, just like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Hold on, I'm gonna look
Wait,
for a
tag
coat.
me.
Huh?
Try and tag me.
Oh.
From the other side.
Oh. Oh, dang it. Where are you? Oh, did he leave? Oh, I thought you left for a second. I thought you left for a second.
Oh.
Party hat. Party monkey. Ah. Okay.
These are all the hats I have.
Really?
The first one I bought is this one, this one, this one.
Uh-oh.
I have coconut. This one, this one, this one, this one, this
I
one.
didn't know you could buy the banana one. I thought they were still like early access or something.
This one, no. And faces, I only have like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one.
I only have two masks because I just started the beta update. I'm gonna go into canyons. I'm gonna go into canyons.
All right, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Oh, canyon looks so different too. Oh my gosh. Why is this? What the heck? Oh, I hope this never leaves. Bruh, this canyon kind of looks the same, but it's definitely different.
Yeah, it is. It's just like the color.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh, I'm stuck in here. Carefully go through here.
Oh, there you are.
Out.
Hi.
Hey, the other guy never even joined.
Yeah, I know. Did he join a different room? Cause whenever I put the code in, it didn't work, and then I pressed enter again, and then it worked. I don't know why.
Oh. Well, maybe it took him to like a different one, to like a different private game. Cause sometimes it does that.
Yeah.
It
Same thing with me. It does that all the time. Not all the time, but sometimes. Hey, White Monkey, are you on a quest too?
Yeah.
All right, same. Do quest 2 players only play with quest 2 players?
I think they only play with quest 2 and quest 1. I don't think they play with Rift.
I don't think they play with Vive either. Do you know what a Vive is? Uh-oh, my arm again. My arm always gets stuck right here. My arm is glitching.
Oh.
Okay, I got it out.
Oh. No!
Oh.
I did that on purpose.
Oh. Oh. How do I get? How do I get it? Oh no, my dog is barking.
I don't hear anything.
Well, he was barking. I guess he stopped. Oh, he. All right, White Monkey. No, I fell.
I know where he went. Wonder where he went. Somehow I just got yeeted off.
Get off what? That?
Yep, on top of there.
Uh-oh.
Time to go back up there.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Oop. I suck at wall running, but I'm goated at wall climbing. I don't know. That's just me. What? How did that happen? Uh-oh.